Greetings and salutations. Well, some of you said scrap it, but most of you said put it back on the road. So I've had an opportunity to look things over a little bit, a little more closely, and I'm going to, or I should say, I'm going to attempt to take this piece off so I can get a better look at this frame rail. I think I can get this out. I think I can. We'll see. But right now I'm cutting spot welds. I cut this weld here. Same thing over here. And there's some spot welds that hold this together. Oh, there's probably a couple. There's probably two spot welds here. You can see over here I drilled these spot welds out. And what you need to get to do this right is one of these, spot weld cutter. And it consists of a cutter here that threads onto this shaft, and you can see it's got another cutter here. It's reversible, and it's got a spring-loaded guide. See? So what you do is you get yourself a 1/8" drill bit, and you just put a dimple, if that's showing up. You just drill enough to provide a dimple for that guide to sit in so it doesn't slide all over the place, and you slowly drill out the spot weld without going all the way through, and then it provides a place where you can do a rosette weld when you put it back together. Well, I'm going to set this up and I'm going to do these two and you can watch. Okay. So as you can see, this is enforced back and in. Oh geez, I'd probably guess about 3 inches, about, I would say. Anyway, I'm gonna mess around with this for the rest of the afternoon. So you know what Jeep's an acronym, right? You know what that acronym stands for? Jeep. Just empty every pocket. And when it comes to aftermarket stuff like lift kits, wheels, tires, suspension components, you know, light bars and all that happy hoo-ha, it can get really expensive really quick. You can very easily spend tens of thousands of dollars in upgrades. I'm not going to do that, I can assure you. One of the things that was going to determine whether or not I was going to put any money into this and put it back on the road was how much all this body work was going to cost. So I went to Pick Apart's website and I got their prices, and A fender is 58 bucks. I think it's $55 and a $3 core charge. They charge a core charge for a fender. So it's 58 bucks plus tax per fender. It's 58 bucks for a hood plus tax. And a radiator, $44 plus a $10 core. So $54 for a rad. And I went on the Amazons and I found a brand new radiator shipped to my door for 62 bucks. A pair of fenders I found on the internet. A pair of fenders, right, left, for brand new replacement fenders, shipped directly to my door. 104 bucks. Still haven't found a hood for cheaper than, 58 bucks. So the first thing I'm gonna get is a hood, because I'm not gonna really be wrenching on this all too much, just tinkering with it. I'm not gonna put this on the road anytime, probably not this summer. But I do need to get a hood on it so I can at least cover this up so that the sun doesn't cook everything and destroy hoses and wiring, and so I do need to get a hood on it. If that thing comes out okay, then we're golden. So
1 hour later.
Alright, so I had cut it out, took the sway bar off so I could cut up close to it. There's a couple pieces up here. There's a couple more pieces here. I had to cut it into 5 pieces to get it flattened out. There's my railroad rail anvil. I'll go in there like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these 2 big pieces and tack them together, and then I'll tack them to there, and I'll tack in the little pieces, take some measurements and double check and triple check, and when everything's copacetic, I'll just burn it in. Back in a minute. Well, there we go. A little patience and perseverance, and it ain't perfect, but it'll work. The best part is I'm only into it for the cost of the gas and the wire for the welder and the electricity to run it. This is not something that I'm going to be working on exclusively. Like so many of you pointed out, I need to stay focused on the bus, but this is something that I'm going to slowly work on. Yeah, because it's not going to cost that much to get it up and running. I think for about $500 I can get her on the road, registered, insured, and all the parts. I think for around 500 bucks. We'll see. But in the meantime, I'm done for the day. Don't forget to check the description for gear and tools and stuff. Mostly with the stuff that I put in there, and every video is pretty much the gear, the equipment that I'm using to make these videos. But if I'm featuring a product or a part or a tool in a video, check the description if you're interested. And if you're going to shop on Amazon anyway, I'd appreciate if you went through one of those links. You don't have to buy whatever it is you're looking at. Just click on the link, look at it, and go, that's cool, and then go shop for your own stuff. That's one way that you can financially support this channel. Even if you don't buy the stuff that I'm hawking, but you went through that link first, I get a commission on anything you buy in 24 hours. And trust me when I say that I need all the help I can get. Well, thanks so much for taking the time to watch these videos, and thanks for taking the time to comment if you're inclined to do that. If not, that's cool. You're probably just as reclusive as I am. Hammer away that like button if you liked the video, and if you didn't, hammer away the dislike button. Either way is okay with me. Share this video with your vast social media network if you're so inclined. And until next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry, and have a splendid day. I'm hungry. Bye.